Hello, Spyder Riders. Our company was the first to make USB chargers for your motorcycle, and these are the highest quality USB chargers on the market. They can be mounted off to the side or in the center of the handlebars. We have USB chargers available for every model Spyder. That includes the early 2008 RS models, the ST Spyder, and all other models up to the present. Our USB chargers are 100% waterproof, and they will continue working even when wet on the inside. We demonstrate that here using a smartphone, and here using a USB-powered light. Quality accessories add value to your motorcycle. Quality accessories help you to enjoy the ride. You deserve quality. Providence equals quality.